Now to assemble the bracket, there are brackets on both sides of the instrument. Installation is the same way. Now let's assemble it. Use this tool and screw to fix it. Now let's assemble it. Get this green USB key. Remove the cover of the upper connector, and then the connector we plug in here. All joints are installed the same way. Plug straight in. If you want to take it off, press the top button and pull it out vertically, so you can take it off. One channel connected 4 patches of the same color. The same number on the same side. For example, the red one is the number 1. The black one is number 2. Plug in the power cable and press the power switch. Enter the operation interface and we can begin to operate. Here we have 4 colors. They correspond to the next 4 channels. The 4 channels can be started separately or simultaneously. Now let's do that. Click here. Now open the first channel. A channel can control for electrode piece of work. After you turn it on, you must remember to turn on the high energy to fill it. There's no energy output at 0. The second channel to open. The third and fourth channels start at the same time. These 3 are mode settings. Turn the machine off when we want to switch modes. Then switch between modes. Each mode works and the frequency of the interval time is not the same. Customers can take in hand the filling. There is no specific requirement for which mode to use clinically. Clinical time adjustment. A clinical advice is 45 minutes. We set it to 45. Energy is recommended to start with the lowest. When you're operating, if you see something like this with plastic on it, always remember to tear it off before proceeding to the clinic. Now we move on to clinical procedures. We're equipped with some gel patches. To do this, we need to attach the gel patch to our waist. So let's do that now. The gel patch has this diamond membrane on it. Let's take one side off first. Abdominal manipulation, stick to. And then the invisible membrane on the other side. That should do it. Then we place the S patch according to the size of the customer's abdomen. The larger the abdomen, the greater the number of placements. Now we apply the patch to the abdomen. Because we're using channels 1 through 2, so we'll just shoot one channel. Turn up the power. Each time you add a file, ask the customer if they can still accept the power. If you can't accept it, don't add to it. If the customer can afford to go higher, then we can add more.